Hello class. On previous turn we had studied the skeletal system and the functions of the skeletal system, right? Today we are going to study parts of the skeleton, means by how many parts human skeleton is made up of. So students, human skeleton is made up of skull, backbone, ribs, two pairs of limbs, forelimbs, hind limbs, and two pairs of girdles. Okay, so this is the skull, right? This is the bone. This cage like structure is rib cage made up of ribs. Okay, and two pairs of forelimbs and hind limbs. Forelimbs means hands, students. These are the forelimbs, and the hind limbs means legs, right? So forelimbs and hind limbs are there, and two pairs of girdles. This thing which you can see, it is a girdle. Okay, and here also a girdle is there. When we will come to girdles, I will explain you. So skull, bone, backbone, ribs, forelimbs, hind limbs, and girdles. By this much part human skeleton is made up of. Okay, so firstly let's start skull. We will study now. Firstly we will study skull. The bony case that forms our head is the skull. Students, this whole structure which you can see, this whole is skull. Okay, it complete this structure is called skull. Okay, so the bony case of the bony case that forms our head is the skull. The skull has 22 different bones. Okay, our skull is made up of 22 different bones. Of these, the 8 flat bones interlock together to make a brain box. This whole skull is made up of 22 bones, out of which this brain box, okay, which protects our brain, it is made up of 8 flat bones. Okay, out of 22, this head is made up of, this brain box is made up of 8 bones. Okay, 8 flat bones which are attached to each other. And students, this is a whole, this complete structure is called skull, but this much is called brain box because it protects our brain. That's why it is called brain box. Okay, now the brain box protects our brain. There are 14 bones in the facial region. Here are 8 bones, and in this facial region there are 14 bones. Okay, so there are 14 bones in the facial region. The only bone in the skull that can move is the lower jaw. Means in our skull only this bone. Okay, this is the lower jaw and it is the upper jaw. So only lower jaw can move. See? Okay, only this the bone of lower jaw can move. Any other bone cannot move in the skull. Okay, so the only bone in the skull that can move is the lower jaw. This enables us to talk and eat, and because this lower jaw is the bone of lower jaw is able to move, that's why we can talk and we can eat our food. Okay, the upper jaw and lower jaw have teeth. The skull has holes for eyes, ears, nose, and mouth. The eyeballs rest inside the bony eye sockets. Okay, so students, this what you can see, this and this is the bony eye case. Okay, so this is the bony eye case in which the eyes are situated, the eyeballs are situated here inside this bony eye case. Okay, and in jaws our teeth are attached. So let's revise once more. Skull, what is skull? Skull is made up of 22 bones, out of which the brain box, this is brain box, is made up of 14 bones. Sorry, this brain box is made up of 8 bones, 8 bones which cannot move and attach together. And in this facial region there are 14 bones. There are 14 bones in this facial region. Okay, and out in this facial region, only in this complete skull, only the bone of lower jaw can move, the bone of upper jaw cannot move, and the lower jaw bone can move, and because of this we are able to eat and we are able to speak. Okay, and in our skull there are holes present for eyes, ears, nose, and mouth. Holes are there. Okay, you can see these are the holes. These are the holes for eye, for nose, for mouth. Okay, these are the holes present in our skull. And inside these bony eye case, our eyeball present in these, situated in these bony eye case. Okay, so this was all about skull. Now we will study backbone. What is backbone or spine, students? The backbone, also called the spine or the vertebral column, this is our backbone. Okay, this is our backbone. It's called, in biological language, it's called vertebral column also, and it is called spine also. Okay, so extends from the neck downwards to the hip region. This backbone present